Well, bug, I'm gonna do this fast, 20 seconds. So have thunderstorms tonight, Sunday night. Temperature's 47 degrees. Right there, and how much lightning? Right here. Stay tuned for more updates. Yeah. Nothing fell. It was thunder from that way. Going just saw lightning, but not big ones. It's 47 degrees outside. It's getting thunderstorms. Gave me a break. Started to rain. You see the sidewalk is turning.
Yeah, I got your regular raviolis because they're on sale for 88. Jumbo meatballs.
Okay, thank you.
Jumbo meatball.
It's getting darker out. Okay, it's getting darker. You're not in the middle of something right now, so don't even see what I'm in the middle of something, and it's getting darker out there. Getting darker, it's getting darker. That damn light's out of the way. Oh well, what the hell?
Everybody getting hit, man. Some yellow red stuff on.
Yeah, that's cross. Yeah, that's a cross right there. You see that?
Yeah.
Look. I only see one lightning bolt, right? I don't see it anymore.
Put that big spreadsheet up there.
Turn it down, Steven. Oh, you hear it? You guys hear it? You guys hear it? That's thunder. Oh, I just hear thunder. We just got thunder. Yep, that Wayne. I don't know if that's the feel or not. Yep, look at that. That's right here. Oh, shoot. You guys? That was a lightning strike way back there. Way back there. I don't know if you guys see it or not, but damn. Mom, can you clean these windows once in a while?
No, babe, I won't.
It's gonna get filthy as heck. Oh God.
That little asphalt back here.
Don't cuss, Anna. Mom, don't cuss. I'm not in the middle of something, thank you. I don't want no further cussing in this video. That's how I'm gonna get flags in video. Because of you. Okay, that's lightning. I don't know you guys calling camera. If the lightning's bright enough, I think that's what we're gonna care, because it's getting darker. Here's the wing.
So thunderstorms tomorrow.
Slight chance, yeah. It's not windy outside. It's raining. It's getting heavy. I see why a couple boats are like a couple. It's getting wild outside now, but I don't know if it's here or not, but I do not think. I'm still hearing thunder right now. It's getting wild back there. People don't even care. I've been recording this like this for like a long time.
$9.
Shut up.
$3.98. Yes, we have.
It's been quiet. Why put zippers in your mouth? I ain't not joking. I'm gonna put zippers in. It's getting white outside, dude. Oh, that's lightning. 40. What's the temperature? We just got it, we got it. Told you supposed to happen again. One is Morphe here, one just hit Morphe here, now we got one right here. It's not severe 80 thing, that's a good thing. Well, good thing is it's not severe. Which you're not supposed to say severe, supposed to be maybe a thunderstorm, but not severe. It did. It's gonna be 3 parts. Part 2 is mostly today's and tomorrow's storms. Part 2 will be recorded and boom, that's it. That's day 1. Day 2, part 2 and 3. Then we got another storms on Tuesday. That'd be another episode. That'd be season 2 episode. No, we got over 20 episodes. It's getting so light outside. I think it's right behind us. Update, this afternoon, severe storms. I don't know if it's gonna be severe rain or something. We got some lightning down there. And that's right here. Stay tuned for more updates.